Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the FNATIC miniSTREAK mechanical keyboard. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you what's inside and also the setup as well. So some of the features on this keyboard and is in the back over here. So this is nice packaging, by the way. It tells you about a little bit the story, the miniSTREAK, and also full RGB with 8 lighting modules, competition mode, comfort first metal bell, travel ready, game ready. So I'm gonna just tear off the sides here and unbox it. Cherry MX Brown. Okay, let's unwrap it right here. Pull the shrink wrap. See what's inside. Bear with me. Okay, you got the nice keyboard. You also have a USB-C cable. Very small, compact keyboard. Very portable. You could download the software from here. You see that. The keyboard is very lightweight. More paper here. Cover. You got the manuals over here. Take a quick peek what's inside. Get the stickers, it looks like first. You got the quick guide. Nice thick quick guide. Looks like in different languages as well too. Set up. Put on the side and get the palm rest. So this one attaches to the keyboard. You can see it's like the feet part that goes into it. So let's put that there. Let's take another look at this keyboard over here. Keyboard is gets connected on the USB-C, then the USB, and connects to the computer. So they also have the little feet for the little keyboard. You can angle it as well too. So the serial number is actually in the middle, if you can see over there. Lay it down like that. Now notice that it's a regular keyboard type, regular setup. QWERT. Okay, so we're going to go to the Google website over here and look for the software. So once you find that site, you click on it over here. Then go over here on the upper right. Let's see if you get to download. Downloads pretty fast, so I'm not going to skip forward. Select run. Okay, another screen will pop up any minute now. It's installing. Hang on. Then you have to agree with the user license. So you all have these different options. Select over here. You go back to the home if you like. First one, discover. You'll probably go through the discovery if you like. This is self-explanatory. I'm just going to scroll down here. So you can set it up for different colors, different setup. Customize it the way you want. A lot of different setup options that you can have. It's a great keyboard. Also sounds really great. So I'm going to show some clips of that. So this is more of the different colors, a different setup that you can have as well too. It's slim, that's true. So you drop this in right here, just like that, magnet signature. Then you get the palm rest. Yeah, nice keyboard, very simple to use. For all your gamers out there, this is the one to look at. A little bit more in the details over here. I'm not going to go explain it, but I have it here for you to read if you like. OP software just like you. And now I'm going to jump to some samples over here. Okay, here are some different setups that you can have with different colors. I'm not going to go in, explain it, but you take a look at it and determine which one you like, and you can set up the one you like. I'm just going to let it run over here. So it's very simple and easy to do that. Really nice at night if you look at these things, by the way. You can also edit the color as well. You get green, red. Yeah, set up as gradient. It's probably one of my favorite. This one's more like subtle, I guess, what you say. You do the Whipple, one of my other favorite. So beautiful at night. Let me try this. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up please. See you next time. Bye.